Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to create a plan. So you can go to the parametric body and as example I will create for the basic objects. Okay, you can draw the rectangle, click close and use pad tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to create plans like from this face reference, you can click on the coordinate system here icons, click on the drop down menu, and we can use the dentum plans to create the plan. You can click, and for the reference I will select at this face. Now to create offset you can use the z direction. You can go to plus or you can set to the minus here. So you can use these options to make the offset plan. If you don't, you can click OK. Or another, I will create again, like at this face as reference. Go to the dentum plane, and you can set for the offset here. And we also can set for the axis. You can choose these options to create for the angles for the plane. This for the axis, or you can set into X in here for the angles. And if you don't, you can click OK again to apply the plan. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD 1.1, how to create a plan.